Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Canva backgrounds. First, open Canva and start a new design, choosing your canvas size. Then, look to the left-hand menu and click on the Background tab. You will find a wide array of options, from solid colors to intricate patterns and textures. Simply click on any background you like, and it will instantly appear on your design. It's a quick and easy way to set the foundation for your creative projects. Once you have a background, customizing it is simple. For solid colors, use the color picker to select the perfect hue. You can also adjust the transparency of any background, making it more subtle or prominent. Explore the many filters available to give your design a completely different feel. Furthermore, the Edit Image tools offer advanced options like brightness and contrast, allowing you to fine-tune your background to your exact specifications. Beyond Canva's library, you can easily use your own images as backgrounds. Just upload your photo or graphic from your computer or phone. Once uploaded, drag and drop it onto your design. For a perfect fit, right-click the image and choose Set Image as Background. Canva will automatically stretch it to fill the canvas. You can then adjust its position or scale slightly to ensure it looks exactly how you envision it, adding a personal touch. For more advanced designs, consider combining multiple elements. You can layer shapes, lines, and even other images to build a truly unique background. Experiment with gradients to add depth, or apply a blur effect to make your background subtle and professional. The Elements tab is a treasure trove of graphics to enhance your design. Remember to group elements together once you are happy, making them easier to manipulate as one cohesive unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.